Do you want to copy a message on Twitter X? You can copy X direct messages with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To copy a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation that contains the message you want to copy. Next, find the specific message in the chat. Press and hold the message for a few seconds. A menu with message options will appear on your screen. Now, tap on Copy Message or Copy. The message text will be copied to your device clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere you want.